everyone, it's Jessie again from Summer Lane, and you can find us on www.summerlane.com.au or facebook.com/SummerLaneKids, or even follow us on Twitter. It's twitter.com/SummerLaneKids. Remember, it's Summer Lane Kids, not Summer Lane, on both Twitter and Facebook. Today, we're going to introduce you to one of the best baby carriers in the whole of Australia. A lot of moms, they do come in and they say, hey, I need a great baby carrier because the one I have is hurting my back, or the one I have it's just not good enough to, to support the baby, and they just don't want to go out in a pram. Because, when you do your shopping, you just want to have your hands free and not have to worry about a pram. So today I'm going to introduce you to the Ergo Baby Carrier and show you how easy it is to use one of the Ergo Baby Carriers. What you see here is the new Ergo Baby Carrier. It's grey in color. This is just new out of the box, and it comes detached. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to put one on. First of all, just make sure loop it through one of these elastic bands. Clip it. Okay? Make sure you fix up the other side too. Always make sure you go through the elastic bands, because this is actually an extra feature on the Ergo just to make it more secure and safer for you to use when you have a baby in the carrier. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to tell you more about the Ergo Baby Carrier. You can carry the baby on the front, the side, or the back. And the Ergo Baby Carrier is designed to carry babies from newborn age all the way to when they're about 18 kilos. So that's about a 2.5-2-year-old kid, and it just depends on how big the kid is or how small the kid is. But from when the baby is a newborn, you need to get an insert called the Ergo heart-to-heart insert, and that's to make sure that the baby is supported in the carrier. Okay, now that we've clipped up the straps, unhook the waistband. Okay, I'm just going to do the adjustment and fit it. What do? Put it to the back. Right? I'm going to demonstrate a front carry. Okay? See, once again, around it, go through the elastic, clip it. My friend used this, and she carried her 18-month-old baby at a conference the whole day. She's smaller than me. She had no problem at all carrying the baby in one of these Ergo carriers for the whole day, and she had no back pain. So that's pretty much why it's such a good seller in Australia and even in the States. So once you've tightened it, you've adjusted it, swing it around. Like I said, I'm going to show you how to do a front carry. Pop one shoulder strap across your shoulder. I'm going to pop the baby in right here, and holding the baby with my right arm, I'm going to strap it on, and I'm going to clip on. There we go. Once the baby is in, it's good to have the Ergo carrier adjusted by someone for you the first time. If you come in store, I'm more than happy to help you adjust it, but make sure you bring your baby along so we can actually adjust it to your liking. And that's it. This is the latest Ergo Baby Carrier that's available in Australia. It's got features such as pouch. It's like the original one where you have the hood. So if you need to breastfeed your baby in public, you can use the hood and just cover it. Or if you want to put your baby to sleep while you're doing shopping, pop the hood on. Don't like the hood? Pop it back into the front pouch. And just zip it up. Pouch on the side. Put your money, coins, phone. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty comfortable. You can't even feel the weight. So this amazing product is available in the original, the sports version. That's good for dads who are taller and bigger, and the waist extension is longer. And with the new Ergo Baby Carrier, it's available in both green and grey. So just come on down to Summer Lane, and it's 500 Merrickville Road in Darwin Hill, or you can get it off us online from our online store. It's www.summerlane.com.au. Say ya.